Hey friends, let's do I Don't Want to Love, a guitar lesson by Texas. Now for all the slide guitar parts we're in open E tuning, so just E, B, E, G sharp, B and E, and that's all the slide parts. So I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the B string, 8 slide to 10, play 10 E, and then play back to the 10 on the B, slide back to 8. Then just do 4 slide to 6 on the G, on the B 5 slide to 7, then just play 6 G, do that again, then play 8 on G and B, slide up to 10, and play 10 on the E and the B. And that's our intro there. So again, we're just staying on the 8th fret on the B, sliding up to the 10, play 10 E, and then play 10 on the B and the G, do an upstroke, and slide back to 8 there, and just do that 2 times there. So for our second guitar, we're just playing a D power chord and just play 8th notes, palm muting, and do that 10 times. So for 10 bars there, so just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and do that 10 times there. So for our verse, we're just palm muting the D again, 8th notes, and do it for 8 bars this time, and 3 and 4, and then go to a C and go down, up, down, to E minor the same, to D. Hold for 2 bars, and then just repeat that again. The C for a bar, E minor for a bar, to the D for 2 bars. So start on 8, G and B, slide up to 10. Then just play 8 on the G, slide up to 10. And then play 10 again on the G. And then play 8 on G, B and E, slide up to 10. Then we have guitar 2 for the chorus. Now this is just power chords, it's pretty simple. We're just going to play the D, hold for 2 bars. Again for 2 bars. Then do the G for a bar. A for a 2 count, back to G, to the D, 2 bars, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's guitar 2. Now let's have a look at guitar 3. So we're just going to be palm muting here on the D chord, so just play 17 on the E, 19 on the G and the B, and we're doing down, up, and then let it come off, up, so da, 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 ba, ba. And we're doing that there for 4 bars on the D. Come back to the G, so now we're playing 15 E, 15 on the B, 16 on the G, and we're doing just 1 bar there. To an A, so now we're going 12 E, 14 B and G, half a bar back to the G, half a bar, and then back to the D there. And it doesn't really matter what notes you let come through on the open there, it's just in the background and it's going the whole way through that chorus there. So for our next verse, guitar 1 stays the same, and we're going to keep this high muting going on here. We're going to do the D again and hold this time for 8 bars, so just out. And then we go back to C for a bar, so just go back 2 frets, 1 bar there. Go back to E minor, so we're just doing the 12th fret on E, B and G for a bar. Back to the D again for 2 bars. Repeat that again, back to the C for a bar. Back to the E minor for a bar. Back to the D for 2 bars. And that's our verse C. So the slide for this chorus is going to be similar to the first chorus. This time play the 8, G, B and D, slide up to 10. Then just play the 10, G, B and D. Then again slide 8 up to 10 on the G and just play 10. Then do the first one again, 8 slide up to 10. 10, do that again. Now this time go 8 slide up to 10 on the G and play 10 on the D. Then just finish with our 8 slide up to 10 again. And that's the slide parts for that next chorus. Then guitar 2 and 3 do exactly the same as before, just do it 2 times through. So we're just playing this A chord, play the open A string, 2nd fret, D and G and play 5, B and E, play it once, then play it again, do 4 mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, play it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, play it again, then do 2 mutes and go to G. And we're going to do the same there, G, mute, mute, G, mute, 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 G, mute, mute, back to the A, go to the G and then finish on the E minor there, and that's our bridge. So this time we're doing 8 on the D and the G, slide up to 10. Do that again. Then do 10, slide back to 8 on the D and the G. 8 on the D and G, slide back to 3. 3, slide up to 10. Then just play the 10 on the D and the G and slide down. Guitar 1 is just muting the whole way through, and it's the same as our chorus there. In the next chorus we're just playing. So this time we're just doing the 8, B and E, slide up to 10. Then on the G, 8 slide to 10. Then back to the first one, 8, B and E, slide to 10. Guitar 1 stays the same and guitar 3 keeps doing the muting as well. Then for the last chorus we're just playing the 8 on the G, B and the E, slide up to 10. And then just play the 10 and we just repeat that all the way through to the end. Guitar 2 and 3 stay the same as our previous chorus, and we just keep repeating that through to the end, and that's all our guitar parts. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed I Don't Want to Love a Guitar Lesson by Texas. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and if you love your 80s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.